Hello, students and parents. This is Mr. Newman, and I wanted to take a minute to walk you through Khan Academy and the homework assignments that are associated with Khan Academy. When students go to their ClassLink page, they can click on Khan Academy. Once they log in from there, ClassLink should save their username and password. This is what the beginning login page looks like. If they come up here to the top right-hand corner where it says login, they're going to type in their username and password. Their username and password, if they're in Mr. Newman's homeroom, will be written in their front cover of their agenda. And if you're in Miss Garner's homeroom, she gave you a card with their username and password information on it. So I am logged in as a student. There are two main things that students need to be aware of in Khan Academy. One is the course mastery. The other one is assignments. Course mastery tracks your progress in Khan, how many skills you've mastered, and you can see a bar right here every quarter that they are in school. So first quarter, their goal, students' goal is 25% mastered. Second quarter, 50%. Third quarter, 75%. And hopefully by May, 100% mastered fourth grade in Khan Academy. Students can work at their own pace on this, and some students will make their way into fifth grade. Another important part of Khan Academy is where I put the homework assignments. Under course mastery, you will see assignments. Click on that. And here is the assignments page. There are 5 assignments that I've posted for this week. These assignments are due on Monday, August 24th at 8 a.m. Students have 7 days to complete these. Also, with Khan Academy, if you're not happy with your score, you can try the assignment again. Khan will give you different questions, but they will be similar. So if a student is not happy with their score, they can try the assignment again. Also, during the assignment, if a student needs help on a question, there is a section that says watch a video or use a hint. This is a valuable section if a student is having trouble on a particular question. Every Monday, the assignments here will be new under the assignment section. If a student ever wants to access a past assignment, they click on the past. There are no past assignments because this is the first week I have assigned those. Please let me know if you have any questions on Khan Academy. Thank you.